So I wanted to talk to you. One thing about is negotiating, and it's a touchy subject when it comes to house buying, and negotiating is can be tricky, and you have to have the right skills and techniques to be able to negotiate well for your client. Because of my experience in my formal career as a packaging salesman for 28 years, I was involved in a lot of negotiating, and so I've been able to carry that over to the real estate side, and it's really helped me be successful in representing my clients.